What's up, everybody? You can probably tell right now you're at work with me, riding in the semi. As you'll be able to tell by the title of the video, me and my dad just sold our dragster. You know, ironically, after my last video, I was just talking about how we had a dragster, a race car. And literally the day after, a guy called on it, wanted to know if it was still around, wanting to buy it. Here we are, 6 days now after that guy called, and he just picked the dragster up last night. But anyways, like I was saying, it's always hard to let the dragsters go, but at the same time, you know, that's what we built them for. Like, that was our whole point with building them. You build a race car to race it, not for it to sit around. So I know this guy's gonna race it like it's meant to be raced, and that'll be good for it.
104 for Cameron. Casper goes